The National Testing Agency has declared the JEE 2022 results Session 1. Students can now download their scorecard from jemain.nta.nic.in. To check the result, aspirants have to use their application number and date of birth. After checking the results, you all must be curious to know about your admission chances in NITs, IIITs, GFTIs based on your JEE Main percentile. Use the Careers 360 JEE Main College Predictor to predict the colleges based on your percentile, home state, caste, etc. Students facing problems in downloading their results can here check step-by-step guide to download the JEE Main Result 2022. Steps to download JEE Main Result 2022. Visit jemain.nta.nic.in. Click on the result link, enter application number and date of birth, and click on the Submit tab. Upon successful login, the JEE Main scorecard will be displayed on the screen. The JEE Main 2022 scorecard includes many details such as name, category, gender, state of eligibility, and total NTA score. Aspirants should note that the All India rank and cutoff will be released along with the JEE Main result for Session 2. For more details on JEE Main 2022 results Session 1, check the description box below.